This is Tia. She's a certified project manager.
And this is Andy. He's a software engineer. And in 2018, we decided to start our very own YouTube channel.
And alright, this is not one of those Cinderella stories where our channel just blew up and we lived happily ever after, quit our jobs and traveled the world. No, Vacation Days had its ups and downs.
As new content creators, we ran into a lot of problems. We were in a very saturated niche. We didn't really know what we were doing when we started out. And well, in 2020, COVID happened.
So, as travel content creators, 2020 proved to be kind of difficult, but it was still our best year to date.
Over the last year and a half, we've tried strategy over strategy, new tips and tricks, different types of techniques, and we've finally started to see growth. Actually, we're seeing about 108% growth month to month.
We've been wanting to share these tips and tricks with you guys, but there was just too many. So Next Rank is the answer. This is a channel dedicated to creators, created by creators. Each week we will share our tips and tricks with you of different strategies on how to grow your YouTube and turn it into a business.
Best of all, we're going to give you concrete steps to grow your revenue and not just your subscriber count.
We're not just doing theorizing here, real concrete steps that you can go out and follow.
So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join us in reaching your next rank.